Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do another face chart recreation inspired by Milk1422 on Instagram. So to get started, I'm going to prep my face using my No Problem face primer, then using my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made foundation right over top. To begin highlighting and give extra coverage, I'm going to conceal with the Makeup Revolution concealer on the T-zone and under eye. Then to add some definition and contour, I'm using the NYX HD. This is actually a concealer, but it is darker than my skin tone, so I'm going to use this to hollow out the cheekbones, jawline, and nose. I am using a beauty blender to blend this out. And also note that I am using a heavier hand than normal because I am trying to mimic the face shape on the face chart as well. Moving on, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm using my highlight and contour shades right over top where I just applied the cream. The eye look is very simple, so I'm going to take my Pure Cosmetics Soiree Diaries palette and placing this matte medium brown on the lid, corner to corner, up to the crease. Then to add a bit of a highlight, I'm taking this matte light warm undertone shadow. It's more of like a yellow base, and I'm placing this on the brow bone and inner corner of my eye. Then to fill in my brows, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Ka-Brow and pretty much filling in as normal. Then you can add your mascara and false lashes. I decided the eye needed a little bit more pop to it. If you compare it to the face chart, it does have a bit more of a drastic contrast. So taking the Nudie Patootie palette, I'm using the white matte shadow here and placing this again on the brow bone and inner corner of the eye. For the blood detail, I'm using my Suava liners. These are water activated liners, and I'm using the red to mimic the pattern seen on the face chart. Then you can just add some fake blood right over top to help darken and give that thicker texture. And this look is complete. So this is a very easy look to do that could be worn for a bunch of different costumes. It gave me Lady Gaga American Horror Story vibes, like a vampire, maybe True Blood or some type of vampire. You can get really creative with this and really make it your own. I had so much fun recreating this face chart, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below any requests that you guys have for me, and make sure you are still subscribed. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.